And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this 36,000, yes, not 3,600, but 36,000, there's 3 zeros, milliamp hour solar power bank. So you can see here, there's a battery capacity, the lightning output, the USB-C, the micro, there's everything on this, including the color. So there's a little sticker. Let's open this on up. So, instruction manual, typical. Then, oh look at that, little like way to hang it from like your book bag or something. And an included little USB-C to USB-C cable to charge it up. Of course, power brick, and that's it for the box. Now, what's really unique is how this one works. So, as you can see here, they're labeled. So this is an in, go this way. This is an in, meaning that this will charge the device. That's why it says IN1 right there. Hopefully you can see that. Now this is an out, 1, 2, and 3. So there's the lightning, there's the USB-C, and there's a micro USB. There's a wireless charging here. There's a whole solar panel here to just let it get sun and charge that way. And of course, there's a flashlight because you gotta have a flashlight. Now underneath this flap is another USB Type-C as well as a USB-A out, and then this is also an in. All right, so Type-C in and the out. So put it all back together. But that's really how it works. I love these little included cables. This just goes right into a normal USB outlet. Boom, it's charging. Like I said, micro USB there, USB-C here, and you're able to just plug it right in. And even though it's no longer a thing, lightning right there. Absolutely love the design of this. Love that it has the solar power to where you can see these are even designed to where like I could take my USB, fold it out, and let this get sun as it's charging my phone. See how that works? That'll essentially do it for this. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and explain it to you. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.